Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a makeup tutorial for you guys on this look right here. So this has been my current everyday go-to makeup look, makeup routine. I have been loving this look. I've been wearing it on road trips, going out with friends. This has just been my staple look at the moment. So I really wanted to share this makeup look with you guys and share the products as well. I've been loving them. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this gorgeous kind of everyday daytime makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. So before I go ahead and jump into the tutorial, I do want to start off by giving 786 Cosmetics a big shout out for collaborating with me on today's video. So 786 Cosmetics kindly sent me 2 of their water permeable and Halal certified nail polishes to try out and share with you guys. So the very first shade that they sent me is this gorgeous yellow shade. This is in the shade IZAMAL, and this just reminds me of the sun. It reminds me of lemonade. It just gives me July vibes, you know, summer vibes, hot days. It's just so beautiful. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. And then they also sent me a beautiful neutral shade, which I'm actually wearing right now. And this is in the shade SAKURA. So I love this. This is definitely going to be a staple. I'm going to be wearing this a lot. So yeah, I just wanted to share these with you guys. Thank you so much to 786 Cosmetics for sending these to me. I love them. So I do have some exciting news for you guys. I do have a coupon code. So if you use Nadifa Kareen at checkout, you will get 10% off. So make sure if you do check out 786 Cosmetics for yourself that you use my coupon code to save some money. Alright, so that's all I wanted to say in regards to 786 Cosmetics. Now let's jump into the makeup tutorial. So to start, I already went ahead and I got my base done just to save time in the video. And for foundation today, I went ahead in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I have been loving this foundation for many years, and I've just been loving it right now for this summer because it's such a comfortable foundation on the face, and I'm in the shade Light Beige. So I'm gonna go ahead in and jump right into the face. Once I get my foundation on my face, I like to go ahead in with some concealer. So for concealer, I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard, and I'm basically going to apply this under my eyes, on my forehead, a little on my chin, and also on my lids. And I like to do this to brighten up the face. Just gonna go in with a beauty sponge and blend this all out. So I have gone back to the gym, you guys. I got my membership back at Movati, and right now my upper body is so sore. So doing makeup is a bit of a mission, but that's okay. I'm so glad to be filming again. So I haven't filmed or posted a video in a while. It's been like 3 weeks now, or 2-3 weeks now, and that is because I have just been spending some time with family and going on road trips and just enjoying the summer. Because I'm actually going back to school. So something that I haven't really mentioned or told a lot of people, but I'm starting to tell them now, is I'm actually going back to school in the fall because I'm going to be, inshallah, completing my CPA. I'm gonna get to the lids in just a second. I just want to blend out the concealer that is on my face currently. So whatever product is on my sponge is what I'm actually just going to use and apply onto the lids. So the main reason why I do this is just to kind of get rid of the discoloration on my lids, not necessarily to prime them, because I'm not going to go in with any eyeshadow. I'm just going to go in with some setting powder. So whatever excess product is on the sponge is usually what I'll use to just kind of make the discoloration kind of reduce on my lids. So now I'm going to go ahead and set everything in place with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So I'm actually going on another road trip this weekend. I'm going to Montreal and I'm so excited. I'm going with a friend. It's going to be a little girls trip. I can't wait. Comment down below what you guys have been doing this summer. Have you been traveling, going on road trips, seeing your friends? Like, what have you guys been up to? Definitely let me know in the comments. So I'm just gonna let the setting powder sit for a couple of minutes. While it's sitting, I wanna get my lips prepped because I always forget to do this before starting my makeup. So I'm just gonna take some tissue and wipe away any product that's on my lips because I want to go ahead in with some lip plumping gloss. If you guys watched some of my recent videos, I have been sharing this one product that I've been loving, which is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump Lip Gloss. So I love this stuff because it really does plump up your lips. I do naturally have bigger lips, but I love this because it really does plump up my lips and does make them look bigger. So I definitely recommend this. They do have a couple of different lines and a different versions of this, and I think this is their newest one, which is the Maximum Plump, and I really do like this. Definitely give it a shot, you guys. It works. So what I'll do is I'll place it on my lips, but also just a little bit past the edge of my lips to irritate kind of like the outer corners of my lips and plump up my lips even more. This stuff does sting, I'm not gonna lie, so just beware. So that's essentially it. I'm gonna let that sit for like a couple of minutes and you'll see my lips are gonna start changing color. They're gonna be a little bit more pink, a little bit more red because it's gonna start irritating my lips. So I'm done letting the setting powder sit on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead in with a brush and just wipe off any excess product. So next what I'm going to do is take a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, just a tiny bit, and what I'm going to do is set my cheeks in place because I'm going to be powder contouring, and the Born This Way foundation is a little bit more on like the creamier side, so I don't want any of my powder contour, blush, or highlight to go on patchy. So it's good to, oh, I took a little too much there. So it's good to just set it in place with some powder. So you can use face powder, you can use setting powder, whatever you're comfortable with, but just know that if you're gonna use powdered products for contouring or, you know, adding blush, highlighting, just make sure that your base is nice and set so that your product goes on smoothly. So that's just a tip. So that's why I'm just brushing on some setting powder and setting the foundation in place. So I'm gonna go ahead in and contour. For contour, I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer. I have a little mini. I have been loving the Hoola bronzer so much. I'm gonna take some on my contour brush and I'm going to sculpt my cheeks. I want to go ahead in and contour my nose, and to do so I'm grabbing the Morphe M456 eyeshadow brush. This is kind of like a fluffy flat brush type situation. It's perfect for contouring. So I'm going to take some of that Hoola bronzer and just sculpt my nose. And it's good to get kind of this area too, just so the contour looks more realistic and everything is nice and connected. Gonna take some setting powder and go down the bridge of my nose and the sides as well, just a little bit to clean up the contour. I'm gonna take my brush and just wipe away any excess product. Next, I'm going in with some blush. I'm grabbing the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Seduce by Tarte. I recently got this. I really do love this color. It's such a cute neutral shade, perfect for every day. I've just been loving this. So I have some of this product on my brush, and what I like to do is apply it kind of higher up in this area of my face, because it helps give my face a nice lift, a natural lift, because I have a circular face. So that's another tip. Apply your blush kind of higher up versus on the apples of your cheek. I used to make that mistake and it used to make my face look even more round. So higher up is definitely better to get more of a snatched look. So kind of in this area right here. And I also like to put some on my nose, just at the tip there, and also just a little bit on the chin for some color. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Holy Grail highlighter. This is the Fenty Beauty highlight, and I love the shade Hustla Baby, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna just take some of that highlight and apply it onto the high points of my cheeks. Right there. You can see that looks beautiful. I'm gonna wait to do the Cupid's bow since I still have the gloss, but I'm gonna go ahead and go down the bridge of my nose and also apply some on the tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the gloss. So before I go ahead and do my lips and my eyes, I definitely want to do my brows. So for brows, I've been loving the Merit Beauty Volumizing Pomade. This stuff is amazing. It makes your brow routine so quick. And I'm in the shade Black Brown. If you guys are interested in checking out this product for yourself, I'll definitely leave a link down below in the description so you guys can check that out. So I love to take this pomade and just brush out my brows. I feel like this really just fills in your brows so effortlessly and so quickly. So next, what I like to do for my brows is go ahead in with the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil, and I like to use the shade Deep Brown. And basically what I like to do with this product is just define the brows a little bit more and give them a nice shape. Just going to brush out the brows with the spoolie in the back. So I want to go ahead in and wrap up my eyes. So for eyes, currently for every day, I have been loving just doing a nice winged liner and then going in with some mascara. So the two products that I've been loving is the Tattoo Liner by KVD Vegan Beauty, and I've also been loving the Benefit Their Real Magnet Mascara. So I did do a review on this mascara. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box. But long story short, I love this product so much, so I've been using it a lot and I'll be using it again today. So that's essentially it for eyeliner, and I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera and then we will continue. Alright, so that is pretty much it for eyeliner. Now I'm going to go ahead in with the mascara. I love this stuff so much, you guys. So what I like to do is only apply mascara on my top lashes. I like to keep my lower lash line clean, so I'm not going to apply anything on my lower lash line. Alright, and the very last thing I have to do is my lips. So for lip liner, I'm going in with the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade BFF3. And for lipstick, I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Staunch. Alright, Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to check out my makeup tutorials playlist. I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box. And of course, all of the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you have any suggestions on videos you would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely try and follow up on those. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!